2, 1, 0. Hey guys, Tornado Dude 448 here. Welcome back to another video. This time I have the unboxing of the Nelsonic AM/FM alarm clock radio. I got this from Walmart for an unknown price. I'm not going to disclose the price of this. It does not show the model number right on the box. It has built-in auxiliary cord, dual alarm, and large display. Digital tuning AM/FM radio, play music with the built-in aux cord, wake or sleep to radio. Actually, I don't think this has USB charging at all. So without further waiting, let's get right to this. So this looks like it's an instruction booklet. I'm going to reference that while it's during setup, which I'm also going to include in this video. And then there's the DC jack, and it looks like it's connected to the radio, and out the alarm clock comes. Oh, it looks nice and bubble wrapped. Even though this isn't a weather radio, I'm still gonna press every single button on it. And yeah, it looks like there's no switches. And looks like I'm gonna try to plug this in. And yeah. And then well, it is actually part of the antenna. I almost didn't realize that. Oh crud, I almost hit the stop button. I don't want to do that while I'm recording, like, at all. I did forget to mention that this is a built-in auxiliary cord. I barely know how to get it out without trying to damage it. Looks like that's not the way. I'm going to plug this in and worry about the backup batteries later. Now, as with any alarm clock, those of you who are expecting me to do a quality test, I'm sorry I don't want to do music on this, you know, copyrighted. I don't want to get copyright strikes. Otherwise, 3 of them and Tornado Dude 448 is done for. Let's hope that does not happen today. Not any day. And then I'm gonna plug this in. Oh, and that's what it looks like. And you can see it says 12 o'clock on flashing on the display. And it looks like how to set the time. I'm going to do this on a flat surface. Setting the clock. While the radio is off, press the hold in time button to activate time setting. While holding down the time button, press the hour button to advance to the correct hour. It is currently 8:17 p.m., not 8:01. p.m. Set the alarm. I want that alarm to be my primary alarm. I'm going to use that on school days. And I'll set the alarm. Oh credit, pass it. Six. $6:35, looks like that's my school day alarm. Oh, it has a dimmer feature. 2 levels, high and low, high and low. So this is low, this is high. This is low, this is high. And looks like that's it. Tornado Dude 448 here. If you like this video, be sure to click like, comment, and please do consider subscribing. That's up to you entirely. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.